on top of me, be on top of her. Be on top of me, be on top of her. Daddy took on me, 'cause you know I'm popular. Daddy took on me, 'cause you know I'm popular. I know that you see me.
Hey y'all, I know I look mad. I know I look crazy. These braids gotta go soon. It's only been what? Oh wow, it's only been it's only been 1 week. That is wild. And that, my friend, is why I don't like paying to get my hair done, because I waste the money all the time. It's a miracle from God if the hair stayed on my head 2 weeks comfortably, because this is itching me right now and it's fuzzy, like I look homeless. Not really, but so it has to go soon. But I'm just starting off the vlog. How are you guys doing? I see that a lot of you don't like, well, not a lot, but like some people don't like my new name. Well, that's too bad. It will grow on you. I promise it will grow on you. Okay? Because it's here to stay. But anyways, I'm going to get my teeth cleaned tomorrow. I don't know, probably I say
Girl, na just the teeth clean what in here months or your months of this.
I have to go every 4 months now because I have the braces. Before it's every 6 months, but now it's every 4 months. And I'm gonna say it again. The older we saw big people, right? When I love to do big people things, take care for the mouth. I don't want everybody else to say I'm afraid of dentists. That is unacceptable. Me afraid too, but I just close my eyes. What goes on in there while I'm there is none of my business. I just want to know that my teeth are clean. But also, this is my new reality. I can't bite down fully. Like you see, there's a space. My teeth are directly on top of each other, but I know that's going to be fixed momentarily because the first premolar is going back, so you know it's gonna go back and give me back a proper bite. But as for right now, if I sound weird when I'm talking, that's the reason why, because my teeth are on top of each other and I have a lisp sometimes. So yeah, I did not even know that it was Heroes Weekend coming up. I did not know. Cause yeah, I did not know, and that's so bad. As a young girl, why do I not know? But yeah, I thought I'd just start the vlog off here. See what's good, see what's up with my people in my little striped shirt. Yeah, I think about your little striped shirt. Long time I not see my dress. So I don't want anybody to say nothing about my dress. It's a long time I don't see my dress, yeah? Rest my dress. Dress for wear. And I add clothes. So it's supposed to. It wash and it clean. It's supposed to wear. Yeah? Yeah, so guys, it's always later. I just feel like I come back to them because I remember some watching a show last night named Fair Play. Now watch it because someone basically tell me about the whole show before we even go watch a show, and I was intrigued. So it's like more and more if I don't want to watch it, and I feel like if you've ever dealt with a gaslighter, manipulator, narcissist, like listen, I rate that show there, I rate it differently. I just want to know if you go watch it, if you don't watch it yet. If you watch it and you think of foolishness, then well. But I feel like you have to live through a situation like that to really appreciate the show. I hate the man. I wish at the end of the show she would have just finish him off, but then she would have messed up her career and her whole life and everything. But my tell man, that show there, alright, that show there. Emily a bad girl. Can't imagine you do so much things to the woman and you come and go like say everything are yeah man, you know, yeah man bad. Listen, it's a unique situation. You see, man, them can be so bad, man. Them can be so bad, man. The moment you start to look better than them hate you. Them if you know what you show, go watch the show. Name Fair Play. I'm wanting an opinion on it. If you already watch it, I know one thing about it. And if you don't watch it, you go watch it and come tell me what you think about it. Please. By the end of the vlog, and if you watch it after, just come back to the same video, come tell me what you think about the show. Cause I need some, more hear some more people's thoughts, because and our parents piss with the hell off. Like you can't clearly see the people them do happy, and the part that the fuck say, if you don't want if you don't want me to spoil it for you, skip. The fact that they have the audacity for show for the engagement party after them do all of that. And then go watch the show. Go watch the show. Go watch the show. Captain about the show. Please. I'm heavily contemplating if I should give you guys this video on Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. I'm not gonna get it on Monday still. I know at the end of the day, I'm tired. So I just came back from the dentist. I know probably I could cuss me like, so why didn't we go with you? I woke up late and I had to rush out, and where my dentist is, parking is always an issue, so yeah. But yeah, it was for my first cleaning with the braces. It was pretty alright. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. It was very gentle, so yeah. Big up 360 Dental all the time. So I ring my foot coming out also a while ago. How? I don't know, but my ring my foot coming out the house, and my ankle hurt me now, and I just want to sleep and cry. Because why would anyways, me catch you now because I look a mess. Like, camera probably not show you, but I actually do look a mess, like for real. So yeah.
I mean, it's not napkin and wine, but I drink hard beer with some salt. I'm just right just right when I'm stomach. I've never drink it. I'm the guy said I move up, yeah, and you do the couple. I mean, it's not napkin and wine, but I drink hard beer with some salt. I'm just right just right when I'm stomach. I've never drink it. I'm the guy said I move up, yeah, and you do the couple. I mean, it's not napkin and wine, but I drink hard beer with some salt. I'm just right just right when I'm stomach. I've never drink it. I'm the guy said I move up, yeah, and you do the couple. I mean, it's not napkin and wine, but I drink hard beer with some salt. I'm just right just right when I'm stomach. I've never drink it. I'm the guy said I move up, yeah, and you do the couple. I mean,
the foot lock. Oh, I'm so tired. I have to go back on the road. I never tried food, you know. I'm tired. Oh, series recommendation. Boy, me son go watch and something though. But you guys should definitely watch Hollywood on Netflix. It's a watch. Like, it's really nice. It's 7 episodes, 1 season. Each episode is 1 hour long. Really nice, really nice series. So I want to check it out. As that little bit above it. But I ordered something online and it's going to get delivered by Vera. So I just meet the Vera, and I think him did come. Him did come, so I go to the bush palm and tell him for me, I go stand up. So the man reached him and look for me and said,
Oh, you look so mash up.
oh, I look so mash up. But she look like a dog. Man said, oh, you look so much. Hear me? I'm tired. I want to see you too. It's the audacity to tell me, say me look looking at the mirror this morning, sir? I'm so offended. Anyways. Oh, I feel like this vlog is gonna be a shorty, but I'm at my shipping company to collect my package. It's nothing interesting, it's nothing fun, it's not even nothing for me. Well, it is for me, but it's for the house. And it's not interesting because it's a replacement for something that we already have. So it's like, that's not fun. Like, I want fun stuff. I want to collect fun packages. But I'm also going to go in another store to try buy some. Oh no, earplugs. For try buy some jewelry. I got you right here. Can we have a child together? Well, I know, yeah, when you are dance, yeah, you are my mind and up. Make me, I beg you a chance, yeah. One more. Oh, you are my shop, my head, so. And me, if you hug up and I squeeze it tight enough. Jano, me love it when we brace it. Your love is so amazing. I know you give me hilarious. I'm love it when you hug me up, my lady. Let me in your life, we dominate it. Put me in your heart, me we never break it. Me see it, so you short or something lately. And that's something that I gonna lead to a baby. Give me love you to me heart. Me not stop me at ya. In a baby mother. Me come up a climb package. Because the people in on the road, they want me to sing myself. And I just don't feel like singing myself today. So I'm going to go collect my package. And you know, eat them bread are so what now. Like my ear is so pull up. Me for come out. Yeah, I'm going to collect this and come. Go in that store there, come see if I can't find nothing. And then come go me yard. Got my stuff. I am rather disappointed with what I got here. They normally have like really good costume jewelry options, but it's like mostly catering to kids now. It's like I came here to give high fashion. What is going on? But yeah, I got my package. I feel like I'm getting sick for some reason. I don't know, my throat is giving me that ticklish hot vibe. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go home. I'm so out of it. So out of it. I think this is my new favorite dancehall song. Just go live. It's the golden hour for me. I want to show them on the vlog. Pan. My Mima is home. No, that's our grandmother. Hey, sugar.
Stayed up all night.
You didn't watch it?
No, we never done.
I was on live with your other daughter.
Really?
Yeah. Come right so. Now show people the
When me
video.
there, I might say, someone the pan or something, new app.
What, TikTok?
No, it's like some story something.
Story. How much Instagram she that's at? Oh, we're twinning. We're both in this color. But yeah. You feel yourself. You're good for the ears weekend. You're nice.
Well, why not?
Okay, girl. Okay, girl. But yeah, me ask no one no one. They be like, I don't know, say Tuesday. So I'm going to know, say I want to say Tuesday because I don't want festivities. I don't want longer vlog. I don't want festivities. So I want to say Tuesday. Some just unless I make it no one say no say so and never me make the executive decision now. No say so. I guess I edit this now, I'm not start edit it yet. So yeah, I'm gonna take these braids out probably tonight or tomorrow. And I got the stocking. Woo! I got the stockings. It shouldn't be so hard to get some mesh stockings. It honestly shouldn't be so hard. I had to link a carnival page. What is her name? Stockings by my Swish name. And she was so nice. She was so nice. Let me see what her name is. Ready Fit Stockings. That's who I had to link for 2 mesh stockings. I'm like, why pharmacy and them? I went to 6 different places. I kid you not, I'm not exaggerating. I went to 6 different places and I never get none. All them have is bare lingerie and one them with the design. I never want that. That's not the look I'm going for. So big up Ready Fit Stocking. She saved my ass because I don't know where I would have gotten them if I never searched on my Instagram and find her. So yeah, my outfit is now complete for Monday. I'm going to the Xodus band launch, by the way. I'm going with Shelbert. So yeah, I'm excited to see these carnival costumes for the 2024 season. I started trying to listen to some soca, but like private, and I put out a mix it and the one in my ear. The only one I really like is I'm not coming to work today. Why? I can't see that one day. I can't see, nothing's wrong with my eyes. I just can't see me coming to work today. So yeah, I go and wait for private rhyme for dropping mix. I'm really excited to see the costume for 2020. So yeah, these are coming out. I have to look like a hot girl tomorrow. I am sorry. And right now I look like a Rasta. Power to the people, nothing wrong with Rasta, but I look like one that needs a retwist, and it's not cute, it's not good. It's the way I'm gonna care. I'm gonna care on companion right now. I don't care. But yeah, I am going to the band launch. Funny story. So it's Sunday evening and they called me today. I was like, hey, do you want to walk? I'm like, walk where? They said the show. I said the show that's tomorrow. Oh nah, baby, I done bought my outfit. I done spent a lot on my outfit. There's no way I'm not wearing it. And the outfit is very, like, I made it up based on the theme of the event. It probably, like, I don't know. It was just too last minute for me. So I said, you know what? I already have my tickets. I already invited Shelby. I'm not gonna flake on her to go walk because that's not cute. And I'm not in the mindset. It's too last minute. If I had known, like, from opening of the week, more than do it. But the day before is kind of too no. So I'm gonna take my braids out because she has to give Betty B. She has to give Betty B. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that. I have my little bag to collect the hair, and we're gonna get started. You guys are not gonna see this process because I think that's boring. So yeah, not my shoes all up in the back, all jumbled. But yeah, let's take these braids out. They did their time. Tomorrow makes 2 weeks, so let's do this. You like what you see, sugar? Let me come over here and break you off of me. Hey! This will have to do. I'm going to go ahead. Jesus, this is gel, I promise. It's gel mixed with makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do an everything shower right now. So it's what, 10:33. So yeah, but I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna hit the sack, call it a night, and then tomorrow the jolly down this. Yeah, see you guys. Is this focusing on me? It's not. Yeah, see you now. Are the same dress as something in that last clip? No. Leave my dress alone. Leave my dress alone in Jesus' name. It's currently 4:30 Monday. Lighting up some. Turn on my lights. And I have organized my outfit. I'm really excited about it. I've never worn anything like this. It's like giving gothic glam, but the theme is Mascator. And the flyer was printed in yellow and black. So I decided to run with the black, and this is what I came up with. So I have this leather 2-piece short set in extra small. I have my chain earrings, I have a chain necklace, and I have a like tennis type of necklace. Costume jewelry. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah. I also have this like chain belt. I have, why the sun I try to play with me right now? I have this like silver watch. I have my fishnet stockings, and I have the same shoes that I wore to the Chris Brown concert. I think it's cute. I think it's gonna be giving. And I searched up an inspiration picture of Pinterest to do my makeup. So I think I'm gonna do a TikTok get ready with me. So if you're not following on TikTok, you should. I mean, I don't post. It's not like a priority platform for me, but I do post over there when my mind take me. Yeah, and the ear need for sort out. See, it's okay. It really should wash it, but who was gonna do that? No. So I am going to start getting ready at 6 o'clock. Yeah, 6 o'clock I'm going to start get ready and things. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna eat my Sunday Monday and go and eat my little body. So yeah. Sometimes in life we're a little bit too ambitious, like, well, me, I'm a little bit too ambitious sometimes. What the hell is going on in my eyes? Like, I had this style that I wanted to do. This is not how. Oh god, it's so bad. So bad. Is it? Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. Woo! Jesus, my gosh, this stuff and start over my face. A good thing says Shelby text me and tell me to share and a little bit late because this gotta go and go. Yeah. Back to square one. Let's do this. The face that I settled on, the wing on this side is very jacked up, like, but I couldn't wash off my face again. So this is how we're looking. I'm going to go ahead and get dressed now. It's 7:39. So I'm going to check in with Shelby and see how far she reach and thing. This is the outfit, guys. Mommy, I watch Hollywood, so that's in our ear now, but in the background. But this is the outfit. The fishnets. I'm not have on the shoes yet. When I reach, put on the shoes, because I'm not driving on shoes, but so working. Mascator. Let me know how I did in the comments. So yeah, I'm gonna take 2 snaps. So yeah. So I'm about to leave. I'm really excited. Oop, not the mess in my room. I'm in my room. Anyways, I'm gonna leave out now. Miss Shelburrington is ready, and yeah, the party started at 5. It is now after 8. I know the costumes are going to be displayed until like 10-11 o'clock. So what's the point of going there and standing up for hours? So I'll see you guys when I am there.
selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't belling out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. That pussy so cold, we just chillin' out. They be yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. Oh. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Big feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? The fuck they gon' say now? I'm watching you bitches, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Hold on, let me go find me a pen. Look where it led. Now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I give the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him ripped. Yeah, they know who it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm in top, but I still wanna party. You feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Gabby, Stacy.
What is wrong with you? Bad poor. Bad poor. Girl, get out of here. Do you see yourself in one of those costumes?
You know, to be honest, yes, I actually do.
Nah, tell a lie, them.
Nah, lie.
Them.
Some of them are very questionable.
Very. It's
Very,
like them take every color possible and just throw it
One of
out
them
there.
specifically have all of the colors of the rainbow.
Yeah.
And not in a good way.
It
It's
just-
like somebody vomit up a rainbow.
And then some of them kind of have this Bigfoot effect of going with it with the white fur.
I mean, I see the vision,
But
not everybody can pull that off.
and it not go photograph well and it not go look good on the road. So.
It look good in a studio, but on the
Yeah.
road, not so. Hey, I when you step in some dirt, you know that black by the time you're done.
No, not to mention if rain fall. If rain fall, you done fall. But them go with themselves.
Go on, man. You know?
May I look forward to see what the other band them come with. Nah, see till next month still. Cause this is kind of early.
Oh yes, which one normally November?
Yeah. But
Oh, them decide say yeah, we'll come
early, so I see we first. I wanna love it and just buy it.
Oh.
But yeah, we're going. So,
Night.
bye. So guys, I'm gonna just take off my lash them. Because I'm gonna start taking off my makeup and I remember some in the end of the vlog. So, yeah, as I said in the car, them have a lot of costumes that I could see myself in. But then, when you see it in person and when you see it on the phone, it's a different case because I just go on Instagram and look on the picture of them and it's like the one them mom love is like it not translate well in photos and that not cute, you know. But I really do like a lot of them. I do have a favorite. I have two favorites out of everything that I saw, but let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm going to keep the options open. I'm going to see what the other bands have to offer and, you know, do a little elimination. But yeah, I know you guys are used to me walking the show. Well, some of you guys are used to me walking the show, but as I explained, Never At Me was just too last minute and I didn't the stage. When I saw the stage, I was like, then at this, when I did one of come work and we don't know like rehearsal, no like nothing. So I'm glad with the decision that I made. I'm really pleased with what I've seen since night. Tired now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off all this makeup and take off all these clothes and go rest my tired body. But yeah, that's it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope y'all did. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be next week Monday. I'm sorry for the Tuesday upload. It's just that I wanted to give you guys more bang for your buck. So see you guys.